Good morning class. Today we will start exercise 2.2. Okay, question number first. Evaluate. So first of all we will see some important formulas using in exercise 2.2. So if base is a and the power is m multiplied by base a power is n, we will write it a m plus n. Okay, it means base are same and powers are different, so we will write base one time and power add. Okay, then if a m divided by a n, we will write a m minus n, or a m divided by a n. It means base are same and power are different and they are divided, so we will write here a m minus n. Okay, understand? And if a power m and the whole power will be n, we will write here a m n. Okay, understand? Now see the exercise questions. Question number first question will be 1 upon 5 power raised to 4. Okay, for solving it, 1 upon 5 power raised to 4, we will write 5 and 1 4 times. So 1 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Okay, understand? 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 1, we will get only 1. Okay, and if we multiply 5 4 times, we will get 625. Okay, understand? Now see the next one. Minus 3 power raised to minus 2. Okay, so how it will be solved? First of all, we will make the power positive. Here the power is negative. Okay, so for making the power positive, we will transfer this minus 2, this term in denominator, so it will become positive. Okay, now solving it, write 2 times because the power is 2. Minus 3 multiplied by 1 upon minus 3. Okay, so 1 multiply 1, we will get 1, and if minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, we will get positive 9. Okay, because in multiplication minus minus plus. Understand? Now see the third one. Two 3. So how it will be solved? We will write 2 3 times. This is the cube of 2, because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, we will get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, now the remaining questions you can solve. See the next question. Question number 2. Evaluate the following. Here minus 1 by 2 power raised to 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 power raised to minus 7. Here the formula apply. A power raised to m multiplied by a power raised to n. Here both the base are same and power will be different. Okay, so we will use the formula. Which formula? A m multiplied by a n is equals to a m plus n. Okay, understand? Now solve question number first. Minus 1 by 2 power raised to 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 power raised to minus 7. Okay, so solve it according to formula. Minus 2 will be written one time, so we will write here minus 1 by 2 and 2 plus minus 7, so we will 2 plus minus 7. Okay, minus 1 by 2 as it is, solve it. 2 plus minus minus, we will write here minus. Okay, minus 1 by 2 as it is, then 2 minus 7, we will get minus 5. Okay, understand? This is your answer. Now see the next one. Minus 1 upon 6 power raised to 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 6 power raised to 3. We will apply this formula. A power raised to m into a power raised to n is equals to a m plus n. Okay, here m is equals to 2 and n is equals to 3. and a is equals to minus 1 upon 6. Okay, solve it. Minus 1 upon 6, 2 plus 3, minus 1 upon 6 as it is, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, so this is your answer. Now the remaining two questions you can solve yourself. Now see the next question. Question number 3. Simplify and express in exponential form. We have to simplify this and express in exponential form. So question number 3. First one will be minus 3 upon 5 power raised to 7 divided by minus 3 upon 5 divided by power raised to 4. Here which formula will be applied? am divided by an. So we will get am minus n. Okay, base are same and power will be different and the sign will be divide. So we will apply this am minus n. Okay, for dividing operation we will write here am minus n. So solve it. First of all we will write base one time, it means minus 3 upon 5 and 17 is equals to m and n is equals to 4. So 17 minus 4. Okay, so we will get minus 3 upon 5 as it is. 17 minus 4 we will get 13. Okay, now see the next one. 3 upon 10 power raised to 11 is divided by 3 upon 10 and power raised to 7. Okay, solve it. So 3 upon 10 base will be same and power will be different and the operation will be divide. So we will apply this formula. So write here 3 by 10 11 minus 7 because m minus n. Okay, so write here 3 by 10 11 minus 7 we will get 4. Okay, understand? Now the remaining two questions you can solve yourself. See the next one. Question number 4. Simplify and express in positive exponent. We have to simplify this following question and express in positive exponents. Okay, exponents means power. So we have to express the positive exponents. So question number 4. Okay, 3 by 7 power raised to 7 divided by 3 by 7 power raised to 11. Okay, so write the question number first. 3 by 7 power raised to 7 is divided by 3 by 7 and power raised 11. Okay, understand? Now solve it. Here we will apply the formula am minus n. So write here a, it means 3 by 7, m means 7 and n is 11. Okay, solve it. 3 upon 7 minus 11 we will get minus 4 because the positive number will be smaller and the negative number will be greater. So we will write here the negative sign. Okay, so we have to express in positive exponent, it means the power will be positive. So we will do the reciprocal of 3 upon 7. So it will become 7 upon 3 and the exponent will be positive. Okay, understand? Now see the next one like this. Question number 2. 2 upon 7 power raised to 17 is divided by 2 upon 7 power raised to 20. Solve it. How it will be solved? We will write the base will be same. So we will write one time 2 upon 7 and 17 minus 20. Okay, so write it 2 upon 7 and 17 minus 20 we will get minus 3. Here the exponent will be negative. We have to convert it in positive exponent. So we will do the reciprocal of 2 upon 7. So we will write here 7 upon 2 and the power will be positive. Okay, understand? Now the remaining questions you can solve yourself. See the next one. Question number 5th. Evaluate 1 upon 3 power 2 and the whole power will be 3. This is your third formula. A, m and the whole power will be n. So it means a, n and whole power will be m. So, we will write here a, m, n. Okay, understand? Solve it. Question number 1st. 1 upon 3 power raised to 2 and the whole power will be 3. Okay, so how it will be solved? Write 1 upon 3 power will be 2 and the whole power will be 3. So we will write the formula AMN. It means 1 upon 3 power will be 2 multiplied by 3. So we will get 1 upon 3 and power will be 6. Okay, understand? The next question, minus 2 upon 3. So we will multiply the power. So 3 5s are 15. It means minus 15. The base will be 2 upon 3. Okay, understand? Now the remaining questions you can solve yourself. We will see in the next video. Thank you.